If you want a quick way to take back control of your privacy, here's how to use Safety Check on your iPhone. First of all, access Safety Check. And for that, open your Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Again, scroll down and tap on Safety Check. And for urgent situations, tap on Emergency Reset. This instantly stops all sharing with people, apps, and devices. Then walks you through resetting your passcode, Apple ID password, and emergency contacts. It even has a quick exit button that helps to close settings fast while saving changes. Or you can also choose Manage Sharing and Access to review who has access and what they can do. Or just tapping quick exit from the top right hides settings immediately and returns you to your home screen. Perfect if you need fast privacy. And once you're done, tap done. Your new settings take effect immediately. That's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.